GRAITEC PowerPack for Vault, a cutting-edge tool designed to speed up your everyday data management tasks, to Autodesk Vault. This powerful add-on enhances your file management workflows, offering you the ability to export files effortlessly and incorporate watermarks during file exports, ensuring your files are unmistakably branded. Assembly structure export tools open up new possibilities to expedite your assembly structure outputting in convenient formats like PDF and DXF, which saves time and streamlines productivity. Our status change restriction tool enables you to maintain control over the lifecycle of your projects, setting rules for each status change and enabling email notifications during lifecycle changes, ensuring every step of your process is followed meticulously. PowerPack for Vault is your all-in-one solution for efficient and effective data management. Are you ready to transform your workflow? Contact us today to start your free trial.